Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this super awesome Dollar General couponing deal using only digital coupons. You're going to, regardless of how you look at it, you're going to get either free toilet paper or free pizza and toilet paper. All you're going to do is you're going to go into the store, go into Dollar General, you're going to grab your toilet paper, the Scott tissue, also going to go to the freezer section and grab your DiGiorno pizzas. Go ahead and put those in the cart at the store. And then that's about it. You're going to take that over to register, and I'm going to show you how you're going to get all of these awesome items for a total of $16. So easy, whether you're new to couponing or a seasoned couponer, no worries, you got this. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Super easy. Let's get started. So Dollar General every Saturday does a $5 off of $25. So unlike Family Dollar, how you guys know I get that discount almost on any day of the week, Dollar General does it Saturday only. So you only have today to go grab this, but still a great deal. And even if you miss this deal, you can always have that heads up and keep that note for next week. So this week at Dollar General, these Scott Big Rolls are 2 for $8. So instead of the $5 that you see there, they are 2 for $8. I grabbed 4 of them, which would have made them $16. But this week on the Dollar General, automatically at the register, they're taking off $3 when you spend $15 or more on Scott and other brands. So that would make those $16 on those 4 Scott tissues down to $13, right? But it doesn't stop there. There is also a free digital coupon on the free Dollar General mobile app that would discount $2 off of 2 Scott tissues. That's right, and because that is a manufacturer coupon, unlike the other discounts that are coming off of the Scott, which are store coupons, that means you could stack them. That means you could go ahead and clip that $2 off digital coupon for 2 Scott tissues, and that would make this $16 Scott that came down to $13 with their automatic register reward, and take off $2 more with that manufacturer coupon, making those 4 bags of Scott tissue $11. That's right. But it doesn't stop there. Oh, no. There's still 2 more coupons that you're going to need, and they are for the pizzas. One of them is anyway. So you're going to grab 3 of these DiGiorno's pizzas, any kind that you'd like. I just happen to grab the Rising Crust Supreme because it's my favorite. Grab 3 of those, and there is a digital coupon for $5 off when you buy 3. These are on sale this week for $5 each. So that's right, when you clip that $5 off digital coupon to your free Dollar General mobile app, it is going to discount $5, making these a total of $10. So it's pretty much as if you got one of them free. You with me so far, right? Super easy. Just clip that to your Dollar General free mobile app, and that's it. You're going to enter that phone number at the register to get the coupon and the discounts taken off. So on top of those 2 coupons, the last coupon you need is the $5 off of $25. So if you're with me so far, you'll be paying $11 for the Scott tissue, plus the $10 for the DiGiorno pizzas because of all the coupons you have, making that $21. But with that $5 off of $25, that's right guys, you're paying $16 for all of these items. And I have the receipt to show you how easy and how you can do it too. And again, just remember to enter your phone number linked to that free Dollar General mobile app at the register. You're just going to enter it right at the keypad to get your discount. Alright guys, so I'm about to let you in on my chaotic brain at work. So I do write everything down just to make sure in case the register doesn't do what it's supposed to, which does happen, so don't be stressed out. That's normal. It happens sometimes. I mean, it's only us humans working computers, so we're bound to mess up. No worries there. So here are the digital coupons. So Dollar General does it kind of messy in my opinion. So they take off all those discounts for the Scott as $1 off of each one pretty much. So there should be 4 of them. And then there's also the $3 off that it took off for the Scott, so it's 3 more $1. I know, it's so silly that the register does it that way. But there should be $7 total because they have the Scott as if they were $5, but they're not. They are on sale this week for $4 because of 2 for $8. So that's what those are. So the 4 of them would have $4 off in total, plus the $3, 2 here and 1 on the bottom, for the $3 off of 15 this week, right? So that's what that is. And then here is the store coupon of the $5 off. Again, I don't know why they do it that way. They did $2.50 and $2.50, and here's the DiGiorno's $5 off. So if you see with me what was missing, there was the $2 off of the Scott digital coupon did not come off, and it should have because it is a digital coupon, manufacturer coupon, and not a store discount. So those should be able to stack, which is why originally it said $18 and why I have $2 right here, because I did notice. So always make sure you check your register and your coupon really well and your receipts just to make sure all of my things were correct. So I just went back in and explained to them, and they just discounted me and gave me back the $2 of what the coupon did not come and take off. So that's all, no big deal. So my total, as you see, it was 18, but it shouldn't have been. They discounted the $2. That was a mess up. And I ended up paying $16 for all of these items, guys. Again, this is a today only deal, so make sure you run in and get these deals. So there it is, everyone. Free toilet paper. You guys know how much I love free toilet paper, and you also get free pizza this time. This is awesome. I hope you really catch this deal today. You have until the end of the day today to go get it, so make sure you catch the deal. And I also wanted to talk to you guys about something that's going on right now with YouTube. There is something called the FTC and COPPA, and it's pretty much certain regulations with like kids and child friendly or family friendly content is being, I guess, it's iffy right now. We don't know what's allowed and what's not allowed, what they consider child actors and what they don't. So I'm going to try to not show, unfortunately, our girls too much until we figure out what the law is. The government is pretty much getting involved, which is a good thing. That is a good thing, but we just need to find out what's allowed and what's not. So until that happens, until we have more clarity, I probably unfortunately won't be able to show the girls anymore, because if I do, it's possible that you guys may never ever see the video anyway. So I don't want to post anything like that as of yet. Let me know if you heard anything about this. A lot of your favorite YouTubers might be dealing with this, especially if they have families. A lot of them aren't talking about it, but I am. So yeah, just so you guys know, a heads up in case you realize why I haven't posted the girl's birthday video or anything like that, why you haven't seen baby Luna. These are the reasons, but we're getting to the bottom of it. A lot of new regulations will be coming through on YouTube December 9th. So I will keep you informed if anything changes or if anything has more clarity. But I am just as confused as you guys are, so just so you know. And yeah, guys, don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on our channel. I'll post one right up here so you can check it out. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Subscribe down below and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when we do upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. plus bonus videos, so don't forget about that notification bell. And yeah, guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye, guys.